U.S. Drought Monitor, September 11th, 2025. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 30.11% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 29.13% last week. About 87.6 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 82.8 million the week before. Abnormal dryness and short-term drought continued to expand across the lower to middle Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley, Central Appalachians, Northeast, and Southeast. Heavy rains of 2 inches or more, however, resulted in a 1-category improvement to central and eastern portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. Increased moisture from Hurricane Lorena in the East Pacific led to locally heavy precipitation and drought improvements to parts of the desert Southwest. In Oregon, minor improvements occurred after a relatively wet week for this time of year. Temperatures were mostly below normal across most of the central and eastern U.S. A strong cold front for early September triggered heavy rain and drought improvements across New Mexico and the Rio Grande Valley of Texas. Above normal temperatures occurred in parts of the Pacific Northwest, Northern Intermountain West, Great Basin, and California. Widespread drought of varying intensity continued for Hawaii this week, with a couple areas of drought degradation. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.